my friends out there in YouTube land? What is going on? So, today I'm not wearing the Biltwell. I am wearing the bell today. And for those of you who know I wear the bell when I commute back and forth to work. So, I am commuting. So we'll hit that intro and we'll get back at it. So, this is actually the second day so far this year that I've commuted. I commuted yesterday, rode into work last night, and I was going to make a video this morning on the way home, but it started raining, and I wasn't sure exactly how much rain we were going to get, so I decided to leave my camera equipment in the bag and not record. I knew it was going to be a beautiful day today, so I figured I would record today. So, real quick, today I want to talk about tech. Yes, tech. I am, but I am not a heavily tech-savvy person. And I like tech. I love tech. New shit comes out, I want to buy it. So, that being said, if anybody out there has a Hero 5, 6, or 7 Black they would like to donate to this channel, because I need an extra camera. And I don't want to buy one yet, but if I need to buy one, I will. But if y'all have one that you're not using and you would like to donate, again I say donate, no money involved, to my channel, let me know. My P.O. Box is Goofy Bastard, P.O. Box 266, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, 19460. So, anyway, getting back on the tech topic. So, I know I'm tech savvy to a certain extent, and the extent really isn't all that high. So my son came over a couple weeks ago, and he owed me money. For whatever the reason, he owed me money. And I said, all right, well, you know, you stopped by to pay me, right? And he's like, yeah, I did. He says, boop, 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 on his phone. He says, hey, it's in your Apple Cash. And I'm like, huh? What? I look at my phone. I'm looking at my phone. I'm like, okay, I got a message saying this amount of money was deposited in my Apple Cash. Well, how the fuck do I get it from here to my pocket? Like seriously. So he's like, oh yeah, everybody accepts Apple Cash. Everybody accepts Apple Cash. So I'm like, all right. So I go on RevZillow.com. RevZillow.com does not accept Apple Cash. I go on CycleGear.com. They don't accept Apple Cash. So I'm like, well, how the fuck am I getting my money? I have, like, seriously, I've never used it, so I'm a little stupid about it. You know, like I said, I'm just a dumb truck driver, so me playing around with a certain amount of tech, a little above my head. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I went to a Flyers game recently, and I said to my son, I said, do they accept Apple Cash? He's like, yeah, I think so. I'm like, all right. So, lo and behold, I buy a hat, because I'm a hat guy. I like hats. So I decided to buy a hat, and it was on sale, so I got a really good deal on it. So I go up to the woman, I said, Apple Cash? She's like, Yeah. I'm like, all right. I gotta tell you, man, I used Apple Cash for the first, second, and third time that night, and I kind of like it. It's very convenient, it's very easy, and damn if I don't think I'm going to get everybody to pay me in Apple Cash. Like I said, the only problem is websites. I don't know how to use Apple Cash for websites. I'm sure there's much smarter people that watch my channel. At least I would hope there's much smarter people that watch my channel, and that could tell me how the hell you use Apple Cash on a website, because I can't figure it out. So yeah, there's my story about how tech stupid I am. I'm not tech savvy, I'm tech stupid. Alright guys, this right here is where I'm going to end this video. And it's only a 6-minute video, 6.5-minute video, but whatever, what can you do? So, till next time, my friends, which will probably be like shortly after I record this video, because I'm probably going to record another one while I'm on my way to work. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe and y'all love one another. Peace.